Every year one of the most eagerly anticipated motocross motorcycles is the factory edition of the KTM 450 SXF. KTM delayed the release of the factory edition until the last moment, just a month ahead of Anaheim 1, so the bike can get the benefit of additional months of R&D. Ready for Supercross and Motocross, the 2018 KTM 450 SXF factory edition does not disappoint. Let's look at what KTM did to the 450 SXF to create the factory edition that will be campaigned by Marvin Musquin, Bronk Tickle, Blake Baggett, Benny Bloss, and others. 1. The motor is significantly updated from the standard 2018 KTM 450 SXF. The changes are not minor. The top end is completely different, it's shorter and has more direct flow into and out of the combustion chamber. 2. The exhaust is also changed to complement the different power characteristics. The muffler is shorter to reduce weight far from the center of gravity. 3. The 2018 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition gets an improved front end. In addition to new settings for WP suspension, the Factory Edition has a more robust triple clamp and a change in frame rigidity. 4. The bodywork and seat are changed. The bodywork makes it easier to move around on the Factory Edition, while the factory ripped seat features a Sal Dalavere logo. The bodywork also gets Red Bull KTM Factory Racing graphics. 5. The clutch cover is from Hinson Racing. Not just a cosmetic change, Hinson Racing claims the billet aluminum cover improves heat dissipation, is stronger than the KTM cover, hard-coated to reduce boot wear, and machined to more precise tolerances. 6. The wheels are stronger. Professional supercross and motocross racers pound wheels hard, and the 2018 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition gets highly regarded DID Dirt Star rims. 7. A composite skid plate protects the 2018 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition engine. It also makes the bike slippier over obstacles, and when coming up short on double and triple jumps. 8. Orange is the new orange. The factory edition gets orange applied to the triple clamps and rear sprocket. 9. The price of the 2018 KTM 450 SXF factory edition has not yet been set.